This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Sapp. Look no further. One-of-a-kind 3-halves Barefoot Bay home. Brand new everything top to bottom. Open floor plan, vaulted ceilings. Vinyl plank flooring and new sub-flooring with vapor barrier throughout. Brand new roof, AC, hot H2O heater, impact windows and hurricane straps. Split floor plan west 1 bedroom having a separate entrance. Perfect for in-law suite/rental. Master has a double vanity LG bathroom and walk-in closet. Gorgeous kitchen with upgraded granite counters west/an island for entertaining. All new stainless steel appliances and cabinets. Brand new carport. Indoor laundry room. Screened-in patio and back open patio west/fence backyard. Barefoot Bay is an exclusive community for all ages offering a clubhouse, pool, golf course, a private dock on the river down the street. You own the land. Cash only sale, one-time membership fee paid to BBRD at closing approx $1,444.50. Copies of inspection and wind mitigation provided making insurance reasonable. Owner is a licensed realtor. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Sapp at 321-308-3242.